Welcome students. Today we are going to learn about Jain system of education. In the previous classes we have discussed Vedic system of education and Buddhist system of education. The next system of education is Jain system of education. So today's topic is Jain system of education. This Jain system of education was founded by Mahavira and it was against the belief of Vedic system of education. It preached ahimsa and non-violence to other living beings. It gave priority to the human spiritual development, and the Jain system of education was followed 8 rules. The first rule is non-violence to other living beings. Then being truthful, then purifying the soul daily by meditation, then keeping one's body and the environment clean, then living purely with celibacy. Then last rule is liberating oneself from the bondage of life. These are the rules followed in Jain system of education. Then Jainism was derived from the Sanskrit word Jina. Jainism, this word derived from Sanskrit word Jina, that could be interpreted as one who conquered the life. Hence, Jainism was considered to be the conquering the life. But Jainism is considered to be the conquering the life. Next, Jain's philosophy of education. World knowledge was considered to be related to one another. If we observed our universe from different angles, we would find that each angle would express truth differently. Jains considered that there were no truth that was absolutely without agreement with others, and there were no truth that was absolutely not in agreement with others. Hence, according to them, truth were dependent on one another. So, in first philosophy, Jain system of education says the truth was depending on one another. It preached that we could divide the material things as living things and non-violence. The living soul could be divided into time, sky, trauma, and empty space. Then it was considered that the soul, which know the characteristics of all those all thought, could understand all truths and their different forms. It was considered that we could teach the students all truth and develop their total personalities. Then students had to learn to develop themselves by their own effort. We could not predetermine one's full development. Then the academic achievements of the students could be measured by how they could use their achievements in their practical lives. The academic achievements is based on the students' practical lives. Okay. Then objectives of Jain system of education. Last topic is philosophy of Jain's system of education. The next topic is objectives of Jain system of education. The objectives of Jain system of education could be seen from the books of Svetambara and Digambara. The following were the objectives of this system of education. First objective is to learn from the perspective of the teacher and to liberate from the bondage of life. The second objective is to follow ahimsa in speech, words, and in activities. Third objective is to learn the boss with celibacy. Fourth objective is to have faith in hard work and to develop through it. The last objective is to educate the students in life activities and to liberate them to heaven through these activities. These are the objectives Jain system of education. What is the first objective? To learn from the perspectives of the teacher and to liberate from the bondage of life. Second one is to follow ahimsa in speech, words and in activities. Third one is to learn tapas with celibacy. The fourth one is to have faith in hard work and to develop through it. Then last one is to educate the students in life activities and to liberate them to heaven through these activities. These are the objectives of Jain system of education. Next, curriculum. Curriculum of Jain system of education. The Jain system of education was based on the curriculum that believed in hard works, and the hard work had to the basis of teaching learning activities in the classroom. The Jain system of education curriculum is based on hard work, and this hard work is based on teaching activities in the classroom. In the curriculum, value education following ahimsa and the development of social life with the good characters were included. In addition to these things, of the curriculum activities included how one could do his business by adopting the business dharmas, and to how one could liberate for himself from the worldly bondage. The subject taught were social science, natural science, value education, vocational education, yoga and co-curricular activities. This is the curriculum of Jain system of education. Next, method of teaching in Jain system of education. The method of teaching included the activities that showed how the students could celebrate. Hence, the teaching method stressed the importance of self-learning experience. Here, in this Jain system of education, method of teaching gives much importance to self-learning experience. The teaching included discussion that we discussed on the principle that there were different perspectives of understanding truth. The truths were explained through the value education, learning by doing method was followed. The truth was explained through value education, learning by doing was followed. But learning by doing method was followed. Okay. Next, role of the teacher in Jain system of education. Here, the teachers were Jain monks and taught their students in ashram and followed the Gurukula system, and the teachers set examples by conducting themselves with good characters. This is the role of teacher in Jain system of education. What is the role of teacher in Jain system of education? Here, a teacher were Jain monks. Teacher were Jain monks and taught their students in ashramas and followed Gurukula system, and teachers set examples by conducting themselves with good characters. Then, teacher-student relationship. Teachers were very kind and compassionate. Teachers were kind and compassionate towards their students, and the teacher involved themselves in the activity-based learning with their students in the classroom. This is the teacher-student relationship in the classroom. Teachers were very kind and compassionate towards their students, and the teacher involved themselves in activity-based learning with their students in the classroom. Here, the activity-based classroom is followed in the Jain system of education. This is the points in Jain system of education. Have you understood, students? Okay, students. Thank you.